Okay, I'm going to continue how pension fund managers destroy your pension and probably your lives as well. And I am bloody angry. So this is the UK Equity Alpha Fund by Bayy Gford. So let's have a look at the performance. I've got to be careful here that I've got it exactly correct because I couldn't believe these bloody numbers. Right. So in the past year, they're down minus 2.4%. Now, this is the point at which people are going to complain that I'm going to say that the S&P 500 was up 25% and the NASDAQ was up 55%. Because what they're going to say to me is, yeah, but this is UK, that's US. Well, why the hell have you got it in this then? Do you like losing money? Do you like finding new ways of losing money? Do you like being poor? Because your pension doesn't have to be in this pile of crap. Okay? So when people defend crap and say, no, I just want pensioners to be poor, then that's UK. No, but look, they didn't do too bad against their crappy benchmark. Okay, my son can do better than that, and he's 5 years old. The reason I'm angry is because there's going to be a generation of poor pensioners because they haven't been told there's a bloody better way of doing it. So I'm not just angry, I'm fucking pissed. 3 years, minus 8%. What do you think the American markets, which you could have invested in over that period, have done? Or over 5 years, they just found a new sodding way of losing money. Why are they not in prison? Why, quite frankly, are the fund managers from this not in prison? That's what I want to know. Why are they not in prison? Because they are effing up a load of people's lives and pensions. Yeah, I don't normally get this angry. Well, actually, if you watched me on the BBC, in the paper review, you'd know I do bloody well get this angry, and I get this angry very bloody often on things and on this.